You know, it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, what go on? I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If at the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. So in this episode here, we are going to talk about things. Because right now, we're in Popcaan and the melon thing and Tentic. We are going to talk about that. And we are going to talk about how Popcaan responded to Denique. You know what I mean? And we are going to talk about how Mavado style Flippa Mafia. Before we go into the mix-up, we are going to talk a little bit about the music. So me have them two artists here, two hot artists. Me I tell you, say them artists here burn down the whole of Portland and Jamaica. Who don't know them? We are talking about Staxx and 1kcama. We are going to talk about for them song. You see me? You know, so we have to mix up the thing. Mix up the mix-up and mix up all type of mix-up. And we not mix the wrong thing though. So all of that and more after this. Running intro.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
Seems so dark, can't find light. Feel so lost, no matter how I try. Find peace, a siren. Be a nice king, but can't fight it.
That song is entitled No Love and it's from 1kcama and it's produced by My Pre-Records. I'm not telling a lie. That song is a breath of fresh air. You see me? And you know what people are complaining about the chippy chop and the choppy chip and re. I don't hear him say one chopper lingo, no chopper chorus, no chopper verse. Him never involved the word chop. The man just a sing about pain. He must sing about walk forward from him heart. He must sing about every time him look, every time him try go some booms and him and the youth apart. I just be hurt him again. That's why I'm not have no love right now for sure. Nobody. Yo, that song you bad. Go on a road.
That's why I don't know for sure no love again. Even not for try before my light the weather. Don't stress the palm my mind. I don't feel like sex. I just once a while all the time I try to fight, but instead that darkness is dark.
You don't know what I'm going to leave a link on the flat, Zane? So just looking at the description or in the comment section, you see a link. Just click it, go on over there, get familiar with the youth page, you see me? Anyway, still, I know one artist we forward boy have to talk about. We have to talk about the artist here to name Staxx. Remember say a be a bad artist me about, you know. Remember good, no?
One lifestyle a man done greater than. Which me coulda call me dead friends, but them don't got no data plan. Watch out for bad mind, we a devise all them yeta plan. Watch out for the yeta plan.
This one is entitled Many Years and the artist named Staxx. It was produced by Slaybad, Trap Skull and Murray Music. I'm not telling a lie. Not true me up on the production, me I say bad still, you know. You know, so we're not gonna produce no foolishness. But the song bad. Listen the intro. May I play it again if you miss that.
Which me coulda call me dead friends, but them don't got no data plan.
The artist them wish him coulda call him dead friend them, but them not have no data plan. Jaja. Anybody we can connect to the song, I guess you never really lost someone yet. And then him said him broke for many years. So I guess the people them will click dislike on the video, yeah, them only broke for probably a minute. Them not go through hard life. Anyway, make we listen some more of Staxx. Many years.
I've been broke for many years. Seen mama cry so many tears. Some of my friends gone that many years. Me keep the burner cause me never scared. I've been broke for many years. Seen mama cry so many tears. No from my friend gone that many years. Me keep the burner cause me never scared.
So people, remember to check the description or in the comment section for the links for both songs. Alright? You know, go on up there, go support the artists them. Don't wait till them bigger than Mavado. You know what I say? You know what I me didn't know the artist there? Chaddy did a vlog about him one time, you know. Support the artist from now.
When you see me keep your hypocrite tail, them say money the laugh, and I wish me feel. But me never drop the anchor, the big yacht for sale. And me a put in the work, from me day as every grade now.
Cause my vehicle can't do it than me house. Now my rims can't do it than me coach. No boy I
shows. And me mother no one left Waterhouse.
So people, that is it. That is what people in the comment section and people all around I say Mavado this Flippa Mafia. Well, Chaddy TV now go say that, you know. Some Mavado up on stage are doing thing. Zane, him have the crowd that way up. Man, I tell a lie. From what me here, Mavado going good. If not, him are one of the better artists who perform the night. Anyway, we not talk about that. We are talk about how Flippa Mafia run on the stage. I try bomb rush the thing. I try to sing him song. We say, me no wanna run. And Mavado said no. Me no wrong Mavado. Because remember, you know, before Flippa got jail, you know, Mavado and Flippa them never good. And we don't know if them iron out things behind the scenes. But from what we are see, them no good. And Mavado said that. And Mavado time to perform. If you did want perform your song in a Mavado set, why not link the artist backstage and say, yo, watch you know? You know, say, more run on that time there when you do that song there. Rare. And Mavado would probably consider it, or Mavado would tell him straight out, no. Same would have to embarrass himself. But then again, probably Flippa Mafia figure out this whole internet game and everything and just want a viral. What you think? Comment in the comment section below.
Me no want no man like me, the girl them don't like me. Come me roll out them up and the girl them don't strike me. Champagne in me and nobody red strike me.
So we are gonna talk about Popcaan, Tentic, Denique and the watermelon. Zane, so watch you now, booms. Denique have a song which she promote from what day. And Denique no do nothing more than get Popcaan photograph, print on a shirt with Popcaan eating a melon. And then it's like Denique labeled the shirt and say, me, and no me as in me, but Popcaan. Like them a insinuate say Popcaan I eat the forbidden fruit in form of a melon. So Tentic attend Popcaan treat, after school treat. Hey, one thing with them dancehall artists, I don't know them a change up every word. Normally we know back to school treat. Popcaan change it up and say after school treat. Anyway, we not talk about that. So Tentic doing thing on a DJ, and you know say Tentic have that one hit song the way I say song again. Roll deep on me dogs, roll deep. And another one ain't cause bad one. Nah man, you must say, tell them what them know about gangster tax we collect with a big boy sponsor. I think of that song there. Zane, so you know say it's a treat, it's a kid's treat. Oh, him figure cuss bad word right there. So people, look at the video.
So man, do easy to be sad. Hold on, don't stop it. All of you them when one say yo, who don't have a talent, continue do it. Don't make nobody tell you say yo, children not good in 9 months, so no not gonna be nobody. Who don't can come keep bigger treat than this. Yeah, what the fuck they do about gangsta tax we collect in a big boy? Yo, substance, found a
Now, some people have said Tentic this Popcaan. When Tentic say, yo, youths, you can come keep bigger treat than this. But that can actually be a motivation to the youths and say, yo, watch you know, you can come be like Popcaan and come be bigger than Popcaan, you know. Me no see nothing wrong with that. But when me see something wrong with, you can't be performing at a kid's treat. Kids treat. Pitney treat. Pitney I got it there. And you go up on stage and cuss bad word. So Popcaan goes so booms now and take with the mic. And I guess Tentic feel away. And then Tentic not take it out from Popcaan, you know. The man just feel bad and go beat up a watermelon. Check out this.
It's a brand new melon, I like.
No authentic, me no know where that for, but to me, that no make no sense, brother. Yeah, this too much people right there, so yeah, this the vendor. Yeah, this your fans them. I can remember, you know, and all your fans them rich, you know. Right now, somebody could have scroll up on your Instagram page and see you do that to a watermelon. We're hungry, you know. And the vendor, look at it now. He must go clean up back that which probably your friend them clean it up back after. Cause you know not go record the part there, you know. Cause you know always putting the best foot forward. But me not like that style. If you want to get back at Popcaan, drop a this song. But then again, a Popcaan, we are talking about Popcaan now go 2 to 1 side, you know. Yo, big man, focus on your career, brother. Try get couple more songs. How much songs you have? Me no want to really say that still, but it's a legit question me ask. Me no know how much song you have. Comment it in the comment section. But artists, me no like that style, bad man. And I am not the one for defend Popcaan. You don't know that's something they got. Anyway, still, it's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? One way, any other way, or the wrong way.